then namhlanje nge-1 idlala kwi-Mabhida idlala kwi-CAF Confederation Cup then iyaphinda futhi ulilepo 14 minutes wenze njalo
vele iyamunya emva kwaloko hayi kukhona okwenzakalile i-Chiefs iperformile yabona combination yavilakazi ulemodi first half ebeyikhona nethi isahlulwa amaphasi i-Chiefs yabo isahlulwa amaphasi kodwa iwinile songena kuye game namhlanje obekuyi home game kwi-CAF Chiefs 1 Zesco 0
kodwa bahlaza futhi Zesco
sibuye kwi-game yanamhlanje.
Okay, so highly before singene nje sichaza ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-CAF. So kwi-CAF Confederation ugroup D la khona i-Chiefs khona kukhona i-Al-Merreikh ese-Egypt ilokhunje Kaizer Chiefs then bese kuba iZamalek bese kuba iZesco. Okay, njengamanje umuntu onumber 1 i-Al-Merreikh with 7 points. So ina 3 games edlalile. Then number 2 i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale 4 games idlala iyaba na 7 points. Then ilokhunja iZamalek ina 5 games ina 5 points ina 3 games. Then iZesco ina 4 games with 0 points. So